I'd like to show you a neat Google Slides trick that will allow you to use slides to build things like handouts, worksheets, and newsletters. The real key here is to go to File and choose Page Setup. You'll notice that the default page setup is a widescreen 16:9 ratio, and we really don't want that with things that we're handing out, printing out, and making copies of. So what we'll do is we'll change that to custom. And you'll notice that you can actually select any shape that you want to. I'm going to choose inches as my units, and I'm going to go 8.5 by 11 with the size, because that's the size of a normal piece of paper. So once I do that, you'll notice that now I have a kind of something that looks more like a sheet of paper. And I can add all kinds of things to this. With slides, I have a lot of control over the placement of graphics and text, where I don't have that with Google Docs. Here's an example of a newsletter that was created with Google Slides. And let me kind of zoom in here so you can see the level of detail. You can do tables in slides. You can do word art, which is what we see here and here. You can do graphics. And what's nice about using the page setup option is I get that shape of that piece of paper, which I can then export as a PDF file. I can print. I can do whatever I want to with. An example, if I want to share this with Google Classroom, or if I want to attach it to an email, I just go to File, Download As, and go to PDF. And that gives me the option to save this on my computer. And again, I can do whatever I need to with it. But I would recommend giving the File Page Setup option, give that a try. Make your changes so that things look more like a piece of paper when you're doing a Google Slides design. And when you're done, you have a newsletter, worksheet, a handout here that you can be proud of and that you can share with your students and with your parents.